If you're new and watching this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Here goes some woofer flex. Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video, and here in this section, what we're looking for, and that's it. So we're gonna grab one of those. So we're in our favorite store, Lowe's. I'm thinking, yeah, it was some stuff that my friend had that he was using though, but you guys want this. So if you guys want this, this is what we gonna get. All right. Yeah, we back. Now I done hooked up the third battery. I'm getting a little bit better on the bolts now. Y'all can see it. 13.5. There it is, 13.5 compared to 12.4. I wasn't getting, like I said, I wasn't getting no battery connection at all. And I already took the woofer out the box. Uncover it. There it is. But we're gonna take it upstairs. Now I got it covered up for a reason. Don't want nobody to know what I'm carrying upstairs. But yeah, I guess that battery connection was really right on the connection, but for some reason it's not tightened up on there, so I had to tighten it up real good. So I had to hammer it down on the post a little bit more, because it's in a tight spot up under the seat, y'all. So but now we got connection now. Hopefully I can charge the batteries back up so they can be up to 14.4. I might bring my battery charger in here and just let it charge up in the car, because I do have a plug, if we can see it. Yeah, we have a plug. So but I probably won't bring the speaker up until a little bit later on tonight. I'm about to go watch some football. All right. All right, we back. So I'm going to fix this. So what I'm going to do is turn it around on its back, and then put some on the back, and then put some on the top. We're going to use the black gasket one first. I did buy some E600 though, but I had got this from my friend though, so I will use this first, and then I use all that. Well, I'm not gonna probably use all that, but we'll probably use that later if needed. So, all right. Yeah, look at that gigantic magnet. But there it is. It's like some right there. I'm gonna let this dry like 100%. Then I'm gonna put some on the other side. So, and thank you for all you guys' recommendations for this too. I did get the E6000, but I didn't really need it because my friend gave me some leftover stuff. So I'm gonna try that. Get this one back in the car, man. I might just take one of these outside. I don't know, but we'll just let this get ready. All right, we back. Now, we got a good look at it. Yeah, 13.8, and 13.8. So it look like we even from the front and back. So it look like we got a good connection. I mean, it was on the same connection and stuff. I guess I just had to twist the wire a little different way or something. But other than that, man, we got connection. We got connection. So we're about to go upstairs and take a good look at the subwoofer, because we did both sides of it. So let's go ahead and check that out. All right. All right, we back. Yeah, and I was gonna take the DC down, but I decided not to. But we got the power fixed. All we need to do is get the speaker fixed. So it looked like look at it. Look like it's done. Look like it's good. We'll see when they play, but look like it's pretty much all sealed up. Let's see. Yeah, it look like it's all pretty sealed up, man. So let's see if we can take a good look. Okay. Can't get a good look at it, but I think we're good to go. So we're gonna hook it up. You know, probably tomorrow when I get home. I'll let it get about one more day of just freshen it up. All right. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this video off, but let's take a good look one more time. It's a good looking speaker, man. I just can't help it. But one thing I noticed about the DC, the bigger the surround is much bigger, or the gun roll, but it's definitely a bigger speaker than a DC. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, y'all. So, and if you guys haven't yet, you know, joined the Facebook group, DIY Game. You know, I'm gonna be having some T-shirts made pretty soon. That's about it, man. I like looking at 3Ds together, though, man. I wish I had the other one up here. I should have brought it up here. But why bring that up here? Ain't nothing wrong with that one. So we will be putting it back in the car, like I said. And that's it, man. You know, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.